Now that it rains quite heavily almost every day, people like you and me start to wonder if we are going to be hit by a catastrophic flood again. Not only the rains, what makes us feel more alarmed might be reports about heavy rains at levels the Japanese say they never experienced before in the southern island of Kyushu that have killed at least 19 people on Friday. Helicopters plucked some residents from the roofs of their homes. Evacuation orders were issued temporarily for thousands of households as the Shirakawa River, which runs through Kumamoto City, began spilling over its banks. However, most of the evacuation orders has been lifted. Well, in Thailand, Thai officials are split over whether the amount of rains this year is going to be less or more than last year. But it looks like many cannot afford to adopt the wait and see attitude after what they had gone through last year. Industrial estates are building flood walls, and these walls, which cost billions of baht, are funded by taxpayer money. Most are more than 50% complete. Some people in Ayutthaya have chosen to build new homes a few meters above the ground, while some temples and even factories have opted to lift their premises higher from the ground. But these measures come with a price. For instance, Wat Kuk, a temple in Ayutthaya, witnessed a disaster of sorts after four of its monasteries, which were being lifted off the ground, came tumbling down. This happened 2 weeks ago. The subcontractor said he suspected the beams could not withstand the weight and broke off. The abbot said he spent over 1 million baht to lift 10 monasteries, and 6 have successfully been lifted. Biotech, a factory located at the high-tech industrial estate, which produces vaccines, spent 150 million baht to lift its factory 4.5 meters above the ground. Well, the factory opted for hydraulic technology to ensure that its factory, which weighs 1,250 tons, will not collapse. Well, the company says not that it lacks confidence in flood walls high-tech industrial estates has built, but since they produce vaccines and hygiene is utmost important, they must ensure double protection. Now that they lift the factory, they can use the ground area under the factory for other business purposes. They said lifting the factory is cheaper than relocating it out of Ayutthaya.